So today is my favorite day for Mentor Sentences. It is the day we get to imitate and we get to write our own and try to write a great sentence just like this author did. Okay, so instead of saying the children, I'm going to replace it with my name. Okay, and I'm going to say Mrs. Russell. And then I have to think about what I'm going to be doing, right? Because I'm not going to race. I'm going to provide. So Mrs. Russell provides, and it's not to him. I'm going to change it to her students. And I'm going to keep this with the, and instead of speed and grace, I have to think, what am I providing you? Okay? With the, I'm going to say knowledge, and hopefully I'm giving you confidence of, they said of cheetahs, that doesn't make sense. Let's say of lifelong learners. Because that's my goal, is to make you love learning and want to do it your whole life. Because even when you were older, I would think like my grandmother, she's in her 80s, and she still loves to learn and read and try new things. She does puzzles all the time because she loves keeping her brain going. And so I hope that I give you the knowledge and the confidence to want to be like that also, like her. And so that's what it says. Mrs. Russell provides her students with the knowledge and confidence of lifelong learners. I can't wait to see y'all's imitations. This is my favorite.